how to apply for the Apple credit card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Apple credit card. Whether you're looking for a new way to manage your finances, earn cashback on Apple purchases, or just curious about how it works, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing you'll need is your iPhone, and you're going to start by opening the Wallet app. This is where you manage your Apple credit card if you already have one, and where you'll begin the application process. Next, look for the plus symbol in the top right corner of the Wallet app. Go ahead and tap on the Start the process. Once you tap the plus, you'll see an option to add a new card. Just go ahead and select Apply or Debit or Credit Card. Simply tap on Continue. Before you proceed, Apple will ask a few questions to you to check your eligibility. These include confirming your identity and making sure your phone is set up properly with Apple ID and cloud. Now all you need to do is simply hold near a card, or you can simply enter card details manually. Once you provide your information, you need to simply accept the terms and conditions. If you're happy with everything, go ahead and tap agree. After submitting, Apple will review your information and determine whether you're approved or not. Once you're approved, you can simply start using your credit card on your Apple, and that's it. You've successfully applied for the Apple credit card.